Hi, recently there is a huge buzz going on about ChatGPT around the world. Why is the buzz? What is it exactly? Can we use it? We are going to talk about that in this video. And if you're a software developer, I'm going to show you the coolest thing at the end of the video using ChatGPT that you will be amazed what it can do. So let's get started. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model which interacts in a conversational way. It is developed by OpenAI, an artificial intelligence research and deployment company. It responds to questions and engages in a conversation dialogue, ChatGPT. They have mentioned how to use it, what are the methods, some samples and limitations in their website. ChatGPT is completely free now and you can sign up to use it directly. So I signed up and started playing with it. Like I asked what is Java and the answer was pretty accurate. That was straightforward, so I thought let me ask something more. I asked about different authentication mechanisms. Answers spot on. That was cool. I knew that it engages in conversations, so I thought that let me ask something which is a conversation. So I asked it about giving me an out of office email. It gave me an email, a sample to put in placeholders, but it was quite big, so I asked it to shorten it a bit. And the answer that it gave, it did really shorten it. But the shorter version was also not something that I really liked, so I thought, can you shorten it much more further? And it did really shorten it much farther. So, which basically means that it keeps a track of the conversation. But then I thought, let me try out something that can help software developers. So what I did was I had a piece of code that was not working in my local. If you see that this code is not working and there's a bug, so I copy pasted that code and put in ChatGPT to ask it to fix the code for me. And saw that ChatGPT really not only fixed the code, if you see the code that it gave me is actually the fixed code, but it fixed the bug. But not only that, it also gave me an explanation of what the bug was. The bug was basically that one of the variables was being accessed outside where it was defined, and it was really pretty cool. I think that this has really moved the needle, and a lot of things can be built on top of it. So that's ChatGPT for you. Hopefully, you liked it.